that many students experience, like us, is fear of speaking in front of the class. And I choose the definition by specific example. And my name is Anisha Zwani binti Ahmad Sabili. Next. Okay, before that I want to ask student. We must, and you all must, if ever feel nervous when stand in front of the class, right?
Yes.
I feel it too, and right now. And then we move to the introduction. The fear of speaking in front of the class is the common fear among students at its experience to education level. Either we start from the school, college, or university. And it's even a short presentation can make we feel stressful and scarier. And then today I will define fear of speaking in front of the class using three specific examples, which is the first is forgetting what to say, the second is physical nervous reaction, and the last is mental stress. We move to the first example is forgetting what to say. Forgetting what to say is even the student remember the presentation and practice their presentation at home many times, and they memorize their point and they understand the topic, but they can suddenly go blank because of the fear, and then they can forget the prepare what they the point what they prepare, and like example, when the student want to present, and then they can confidently, but suddenly they can go blank what the first sentence, and then they will pause and look at their note, and when their friend like noticing them and staring at the student feel embarrassed and shy. Next. The second example is physical reaction. Physical reaction is like handshaking, fast heartbeat, sweating of butterfly in their stomach. And this happens because the body gets to fear and its natural response to the fear and anxiety. Like example, when the student is feel fear, here will grip the nose is very tightly, and they don't want to eye contact with everyone. They will look to the side or down, and then this shows the fear not only about memories and not about that before or forget what to say, but the fear also affect the body. Last and next. The last example is mental stress. Mental stress is what we think want to say. So the student always overthinking about what to say. They will think what people say to the student. The student fear to make mistake, being judged or being rushed. They always think negative stuff like, what if I mess up? What if everyone laugh at me? What if I what mistake and then make mistake? And then the example of mental stress is student. Even students practice many times at home, they will still panic because the pressure of thinking. Okay, the conclusion is fear of speaking is common among students. Every student must feel this, and then apa ni? like I said before, forgetting work, physical action, and mental stress. By recognizing this sign, students can better understand the fear and can boost their confidence slowly. And my final message is next time when you feel nervous or fear, you need to remember this. You not are alone and you not are weak. Many students and many people feel like that when they do a presentation. Thank you, and that's all for me.